Hi, it's Jennifer Lancaster here, and today we're looking at comparing a guerrilla marketing strategy with a personal brand strategy because I'm doing a personal brand workshop soon. So the way that you look at a marketing strategy normally is to look at the purpose of the marketing, how you achieve this purpose, including your competitive advantage and benefits, which is very important, your target market, and the marketing and what you stand for comes next, and the identity of your business is also there, and your budget. So that's in the book Guerrilla Marketing and Joint Ventures. J. Conrad Levinson came up with guerrilla marketing years ago. But what I believe in personal brand marketing, for your personal brand first, it is your brand itself, so that you can stand for something and you represent something specific. So it is also goes across all of your services, if you've got services, or your books, if you've got books. And also we'll be talking about storytelling and the different stories we want to tell as part of our personal brand. Yeah, it's just a little different way to look at it. It's not just the purpose for the marketing. We're actually starting with ourselves first and our authentic brand story.